Welcome to G Auntie's Kitchen. I'm going to make soya bean milk. Please continue watching and subscribe. Here are the soya beans, which I am going to wash thoroughly, remove all the impurities and the bad ones, and then I'll soak it in water. You can soak it overnight or for 24 hours. So I'll just leave it here. So it's 22 hours later. It's not up to a day. So I'll just take it, remove the skin as much as possible. Okay, so it's now ready. I'm going to add some ginger. I'm going to grind it. You could use your blender or grind it in the neighborhood. This is the paste now. The ratio of water I poured in is 1 to 1.5 or 1 to 1/3/4 of water. Put it on the stove to boil for 20 to 30 minutes. Stir constantly on low heat. It foams as it boils, so I will get out the foam as much as I can. The milk has been boiling for like 25 minutes. It's done. Sieve this. Some people sieve before boiling, but I did it afterwards. And then I'm going to put some in a finer sieve. This one I'm going to add cocoa to it. So this is what I got like the second time sieving. Add a cupful or two of vanilla, and then I'll add the sugar. You don't want it too sweet. So this is about 3/4 cup of sugar. Give it a thorough mix. For chocolate soya bean milk, I'll add cocoa powder unsweetened, and then cocoa tends to be bitter, so I'm going to add a little bit sugar to it. The sugar is 2 tablespoons, so you don't want it too sweet. And finally, a dash of cinnamon, and then it's done.